Hi all, I am really excited today for showing this React app deployment using AWS S3 Bucket and AWS CloudFront. Okay, then let's see how it is going on. First of all, I will initialize sample React.js app using npx create React app command. In here my project name is my app. Now we are in my app project directory. Now we can start to app using npm start command to see it is working fine. Now you can see it is working fine by clicking localhost 3000 link. So nice. So now, we have to go again project directory and open app.js file and let do sample code change and render it again. Now it has rendered successfully and we can see the changes what we have done in app.js file. Okay, now we have to stop localhost server rendering and start to build app using npm run build command. Let's see what will be there. Okay, build is finished. Now you can see newly created build file in project directory. That file contains all the artifacts that we want to deploy this app. Now we have to go AWS S3 Bucket and create new S3 bucket for this build file artifact upload. Here you can see error that S3 bucket name is already exist. Please create unique S3 bucket name for your newly created S3 buckets. Now we have created S3 bucket and we have to upload build file artifacts. First I will upload static folder in build file. Now click the upload button. And again I will upload other remaining files in build folder. And again click the upload button and close the uploads. Yes, now we have uploaded all things in build folder what we want. And permission tab you can see we have create completely private S3 bucket and we are now going to create new CloudFront distribution for S3 bucket references. In here you have to add suggested S3 bucket name you already created in S3 bucket. Now under origin access we have to tick legacy access identities and create new OAI from clicking button. This name is automatically suggested and select that one and click the create button. Now select created new OAI from drop down menu. Under the bucket policy tick the yes for editing reference S3 bucket policy for access permission when this cloud distribution is deploying. Now keep other options here as it is and go to default root object section and add root file name that S3 bucket contain. Here it is index.html file. As additional knowledge, this is the first access point in build folder in React app. Now we can launch the distribution. Now you can see distribution is deploying, we have to wait it complete. Now distribution deployed successfully. Now see what are the attributes in this distribution. You can see here default domain name. Here we can use it as our newly created React web app URL. If you want to add beautiful web app name, then create alternative domain name for this distribution using AWS Route 53 or any third-party domain registrar. Voila, you have deployed your first React app in AWS CloudFront using S3 bucket references. So if you are like this video and do not want to miss next videos, please hit the bell icon and subscribe.